Yo, what's good guys? PandaPlays95, and with a continuation from our last video, we also found some Crimson Invasion, which we've actually never opened up, period, on the channel, in person, nothing. So we're gonna open this up and see what we get. Alrighty, so we did the little card trick, and we have an Electric Energy, a red card, Gastrodon, Zweilous, Execute, Magikarp, Minccino, a Corphish, a Shellos, first Holo Kakuna, and ooh, we got a full art Lusamine card. Awesome. So we're definitely gonna have to sleeve this up. Make sure y'all check out my YouTube channel, like and subscribe, because we have a lot more of these there. Thank you.